SpreadsheetWeb continues to evolve, bringing powerful and intuitive features to both developers and users alike. In our latest update for March 2024, we are excited to introduce a series of enhancements designed to simplify workflows, enhance user experience, and expand functionality for web applications. Here are the updates for this month, starting with the API Toolkit. The API Toolkit is a game changer for web developers. It acts as a sandbox, allowing for the easy creation of calculation requests. With this toolkit, you can configure a variety of settings that auto-update the sample request, demonstrating the seamless link between your intentions and the calculation request body. The interface, designed with simplicity in mind, consists of three main areas: the calculation request panel, settings panel, and calculations response panel. This not only makes it easier to construct API requests but also interpret responses. Offering flexibility, the toolkit supports detailed specification of inputs, outputs, and a range of events including printing, emailing, and exporting to Excel. Next up, the names editor within the SpreadsheetWeb Hub Designer. This update is a significant leap forward, eliminating the need to download, update, and re-upload your Excel file to update applications. Now, adding or replacing data in table named ranges only takes a few minutes. The Names Editor allows for bulk updates, quick access to frequently used named ranges, and includes a modal window for modifying format strings and adjusting value types. Features such as multi-cell update and copy-paste functionality simplify data entry and updates. The introduction of default value type, and format type settings ensures data consistency and clarity in presentation. These updates on SpreadsheetWeb Hub are designed to improve user experience and efficiency in managing and updating data within web applications. Join SpreadsheetWeb Hub to simplify your work.